Protesting nurses in Townsville have abused the health minister for being late to their rally over job cuts. But as Melissa Vander Haak reports, the nurses' union then spurned the offer of a ministerial meeting to continue its demonstration.
As the temperature soared, tempers flared.
I'm passionate about my job. I'm passionate about the people I work for. And I'm sorry, excuse me, you might want to blip this, I'm sick of being screwed over.
Unions angry the health minister was late to a combined rally at the hospital, sticking to a commitment to do a media press conference.
Then why would you rather meet with the media 15 minutes ago than come and address the workers and put the media off?
Health Minister Lawrence Springborg flew to Townsville at the last minute for an official meeting with the hospital board and union heads, but the nurses' union snubbed him.
Well, I'm obviously very disappointed that the nurses' union didn't show up today. Nurses are an important and integral part of our hospital system.
They wanted instead to keep rallying.
The health minister called his meeting at the very same time as we had planned this rally, so there was a time factor.
Bizarrely, the nurses then targeted a Campbell Newman lunch function, criticising him for not meeting them. The Premier changed plans for another venue.
They're going to put off 73 nurses in this area.
The Nurses' Union says an additional 160 jobs across a range of health services will be axed. The Health Minister says they've got it wrong, the state and federal governments blaming each other.
There's been an additional 20 as a consequence of the Commonwealth cuts, so the unions are wrong on that.
And Wayne Swan said that their funding had been increased by $10 billion over the next 2 years.
And while the blame game continues here in the far north, the unions are organising more rallies. They say they'll continue to protest until the Premier addresses their concerns. The next will be at the Townsville Hospital tomorrow. In North Queensland, Melissa Vander Haak, 10 News.